So my friend Wild West gave me this really awesome little knife, right? I've been using it for everything. Long story short, my knife that I love is going dull, right? So I looked up a video on YouTube to what do you do if you don't have a sharpener? Because I don't have a sharpener, and I'll order a sharpener, but if I don't have to, I'm not gonna. So they had some crazy things you could do. We're gonna try this. This is supposed to sharpen your knife. You take a ceramic mug. He had some other, I'll link the video that I got it from in the description. There's other ways to do it too, but I'm gonna try this way because this is what I had handy. So you take a ceramic mug, and then the edge here on the bottom where it's like not smooth, use it as a sharpener. So you just make a few passes. You guys are probably cringing right now, like, what are you doing, Lucy? Dude, this might work. I don't know, man. It could work. It feels like it's working. Let's try it. I need a piece of paper or a box or something. Okay. Oh my God, it worked. Okay. I need another piece of paper that doesn't have. Damn it. It totally worked. Holy shit. It totally worked, you guys. If you don't have a sharpener, don't buy one. Just use your coffee mug. Okay, that's much better. This one definitely worked. Feels sharper. Looks sharper. Ah, there's some grit. I really love this little knife. If I'm too cheap to buy nail polish, you think I'm gonna buy a sharpener? Really? Probably not. I probably will use just like every coffee mug in my house until there's none left. Oh, that feels sharper. Yeah, that definitely works. Okay? This would be the shit knife, okay? I'm definitely gonna end up in the ER. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. It's gonna be fine. You don't want to like do it like this. You want to like line it up. You know, like close, like the edge of the blade. That's what you gotta do.
And I have to actually go legit. You guys, like,
Okay. Let's see if the shit knife works now. Yeah, man. Coffee mugs sharpen your knives, dude. It's the proof is right here. Okay? Let's do the box. Oh no, I don't want to do the box. Oh no. Don't fail me now. Okay. And this one is my favorite. That's a this piece. It does, man. It totally sharpens. All right? Stop! Let's see. Yes. Yep.
how many strawberries?
your coffee mug, guys. Then make yourself some coffee. Or edit your video. Or do both. I got more stuff for you coming. I know. I've been promising videos and sending out mail and all types of stuff. I swear, I'm gonna do it. Don't give up on me, okay? I swear. I got a whole bunch of stuff to show you. I just haven't had time to do it. And it's like, ugh. But it's coming. I assure you. So anyway, just if you watched all the way to the end of this madness, it wasn't really madness. It was more like a, I thought it was cool. So anyway, thank you for watching it. And don't forget to ring the bell because you never know. Don't forget to ring the bell because you don't know when I'm going to post a video. It could be the middle of the night. I mean, you'll be sleeping then, but I don't know.